EU Flag ShipOwner 528. Recently, the Spanish flag cannot fight with the Legion because it has no seafarers, and the training system is to pay people for not work, not to pay them to work, not certify them and train them. Why? Because the ministry is in Madrid. Will ships trade to Madrid? Of course not. Then how can we have salted solutions, like we say in Spain? Salada, salted solution. If the ministry is in Brussels with the biggest bureaucrats of this planet there in Brussels, 5,000 in the parliament, wow, amazing. Then how can we solve this European flag if there are no European seafarers, because we need 1 million ratings, 1 million officers? Will the EU do something about this? Like, if I do have French flag, can I have Spanish cadets? Because if I have French cadets, then I discriminate. Same for Belgium, Italian, all the different European flags. And then if I do have a Spanish flag, which is a big solution, because everybody is talking about this. Oh, flag, 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 flag. And no one is talking about Español, por favor. Yes. Fawlty Towers, famous series in the UK. The boss was Manuel. Manuel, number one. Sí. Pon el idioma español. Put the Spanish language. The others will fight with the flag. But you will fight in your own domain in the Spanish language. Yes, many talk about this. But they don't know Spanish. Oh, what a problema we have. Yes, the big problema. Big painter. Yeah, problema. Oh, then we must solve this issue. But will European Union solve the endorsements? Like some flags don't endorse Panama, Venezuela. Other flags do endorse Peru. But not in this flag. Then Spanish chief engineer, Spanish flag, needs to do a test about Spanish labor legislation. Sorry, Spanish legislation. Anyways, but how about the chief engineer flying in the second register of the French flag? How about Belgium, Italy, Greece flag? Then everybody is flying to Cyprus, Malta, Madeira. But what if there is now really huge supply problem because there's no more Europeans? Then we need a solution. So for the Spanish flag, we have 1,000, 50,000 seafarers in our database. For the European flags, we can do the same thing because we also have Spanish and you don't have Spanish. So think about it. Why? Because we are the closest country to the sea. We have been, we will be. We found first America because we are closer. So we are closer to your solutions, dear shipowner. Whether you have a Spanish married to a French or a French married to a Spanish. And why? Because we will be always closer to the solutions. So contact Candina because we have the biggest European database, yes, of Latvians, Estonians, Lithuanians, Poles, all nationalities in Europe, but also all the nationalities in this planet. And everybody has been looking to the east, yes, for Asia crew. Why not look with Candina to the west? Because if you are LPG, you have a problem, always looking east, look west. Why? Because we have the biggest database in Spanish and Americans. And then if you are also in the ROPAX, you never looked very much Africa, but we have a huge pool, Algeria, Moroccan officers and ratings, and Cyprus flag is very interesting. So any solution, we have the best solution available. And please, European Union, try to do something. Please, put a Ministry of Transport close to the salted waters. Yes, could be Mediterranean or Atlantic, I don't care. But just have one rule, because the current flags discriminate. Yes, they do. How much tax you pay in this flag, and the social security, and the labor legislation in this country is 37 hours per week. That one is 40 hours. Then how about these tax brackets, and how about endorsements? Yes, this nationality is approved, the other one not. The cadets, how much we pay for these cadets? No, we don't allow the Spanish cadets for the flag of this country or that country. That's discrimination. and so on. Please solve your issues, but let's have this one ministry in a salted country once and for all. Why? Because Europe has 50% of world commerce of shipping and well, many other things, but this video is for European flags. So please, let's have a solution, and if you want really a boss for that, you can ask my guidance. I will happily give it, because I know what I'm talking about. You politicians know nothing. And be a ship owner. If you want to keep on having your solutions, pay more and more and more. Yeah, and keep looking east. Don't look west. Don't change Espanol. Okay? Thank you. Bye.